So in this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of QuickBooks Self-Employed, a fantastic tool for freelancers and small business owners. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard, showing your income, expenses, and profit. Everything at a glance. To add your income, click on the Income tab. You can enter earnings manually or connect your bank account for automatic syncing. Next, manage expenses under the Expenses tab. Add expenses manually or connect credit cards for tracking. Remember to categorize them for easy tax filing. Then, check the Taxes section for your estimated quarterly taxes based on your income and expenses. Lastly, generate reports under the Reports section to track profit and losses. And that's it. QuickBooks Self-Employed simplifies your finance.